Okay, so I have reviewed a different dash cam that I had before, but this one I got because the other one I had would only film, the inside of the car and out front. This one here has some other stuff, so I'll show you what it's got in here. Let's see. So if I open it up, you can see here is the camera right there. So it's got the camera and then a nice big screen to view it with. And then what we also have here is we have a lot of different wires and options and stuff, but this one here, this is the main part that I got it for. So what this is this has a camera, and this, you can hook it up on the back of your car to look out the back, because I don't really need to see what's going on inside the car, because really it's just me sitting there driving. I'm not Uber or Lyft or anything like that. So this one here, I can actually see what's going on behind, so if there's an accident or someone hits me from behind, I'm gonna know. So that's what I like about this one here. And wow, look at the size of that wire. That's a long wire, and I'm gonna be able to run that through because I've run backup cameras and things all sorts of times before. And then it comes with the charger for these, like the cigarette outlet charger, like all the other ones come with. And here's that's a nice suction cup mount. So that's gonna be a good suction cup mount to mount it to the window. Other one I had wasn't quite the same, but it was good too. And then here's a little tool to pry it, so I can, that's what I like too, is also because I want to put it all into all my trim work and everything and just really get it in there, so that gives you a little tool to do that. And then here's the little USB wire so I can hook it up to my computer. So great, and it comes with even a little wire, the little sticker, so I can have dash cam recording so people know that it's recording. So that's it, and it comes with a nice little manual as well, so you can see here the manual for it. Got all the instructions and everything. I did look at it a little bit before because I was figuring it out, but this is going to be great. This is exactly what I need versus the other one showing the inside of the car. This one here I can actually show behind the car, or if I did want to do the inside of the car, I could just hook it up in the front and film it anywhere. You can put this camera anywhere. I could put it facing the side of the car if I really wanted to, but I don't want to. So really like this one. Excited to get this one going, and I know it's 1080p. Other ones I had done were as well, so the video is going to be equally as good. I'm excited for this one.